We're at 215 miles an hour. We're going very fast.
Oh, are you flying in a helicopter too?
We're underneath you.
Oh, two helis? Oh, I see you guys.
Can't you, you bad bastard! What was that?
So great!
That's the random thing!
That's so
Oh my
great.
god.
Okay, yeah.
We're landing apparently.
I see you. I'll move.
NATO
We're
trailer.
down. We're down. Safe landing. We're down.
I'm gonna start
Oh,
up
I
a
can't
so
sit
I can
still
kill
right
you.
now. We have them in our server.
Oh my
High
fucking
five,
god.
bro.
Wait,
Coming over here.
I need 1 kilometer for there. Wait, I want to see it.
Oh, I'm coming out. I'll bring you to it.
Oh, no. What you doing?
Yeah. I got it.
Oh, he's actually doing it. He's actually pulling it off.
Oh my shit, he landed
Turn the
it.
engine off. Turn the engine off.
Yeah.
Savages.
Very good, boys.
Okay.
Oh no. Oh no. Something is turning on.
Oh, did someone turn it on or did it turn
No,
on by
no,
itself?
I hear the no. It's on.
Candium's going for another
Oh.
round. He's professional. He's professional. Don't worry about it.
He knows what he's
doing.
doing. Yeah.
Look in the air. It looks so good in the air. Look at that in the air. You don't
Yeah.
even. It just looks clean up there.
There's two people coming here.
Oh, there
See the
is.
helicopter? Yeah, there is.
Fly a little bit higher. Fly a little bit higher so they see
Go
it.
on, Candium, show it off. It sounds good. It sounds real. It's not as loud as what I would thought from down here. It's more like it's like a very loud Hoover.
Hmm.
Yeah, it's more like a Hoover sound.
What is he doing?
Oh, not that professional. That's cool. What the?
What is he doing? Too close to the track.
He's trying to get in control, but he's spinning.
He's
It's
trying
okay.
to
It's
pull it
okay.
off.
Look, he's crashed, but he's very slow on the landing. You can't do no harm with that. He actually crashed into
Oh,
it.
he saved it. He saved it.
Well done, Candium. He crashes into the vehicle.
Oh my god.
Pro helicopter pilot.
So I'm sure this is gone.
I parked it on that tree.
So was everybody flying one around or something?
No, not everybody, just a few of them right now. Draco, Bambo, and I all have one.
Well, that mine actually got stolen by Candy. He hijacked mine.
No, do D and A. I think we go side to side.
I don't know. Light or something? Yeah, Q make you go straight up, and then once you get some height, you know, W's forward, A and D is left and right, and S is lean back. Hold Q to get some elevation, probably.
Oh yeah, now that we're in the air, tell you, when you see the aircraft, the plane for the airdrop coming, you better make sure to not hit it because it'll bring you down.
Oh shit!
God.
That Candy and you're savage.
Let me get rid of this bitch, bro. What the fuck? There we go. It's fine.
You're a savage, Candy. You really are. Absolute savage.
So I think I think it should probably go all the way up before I even start to.
Night, bro.